Imagine you're sitting in a shiny new car, the wind in your hair, and the open road ahead. The idea of getting a new car is super exciting, but before you zoom off, you need a money plan. That's where the 24-10 rule comes to the rescue. It's simple and clever, and it'll help you make smart choices when buying a car. This rule is crucial for making sure you don't get into money trouble with your new ride. It's like having a friendly co-pilot that keeps you on the right financial track. In this video, we'll break down this rule and show you how it can help you figure out how much car you can afford. Now, let's dive deeper into the 24-10 rule and break it into its 3 key parts. The first key part is the down payment, 20%. When you're thinking about getting a new car, your very first step is the down payment. The 24-10 rule says you should put down at least 20% of the car's price as a down payment. So, if your dream car costs $20,000, you should aim to pay $4,000 up front. This down payment isn't just any down payment. It's like a kickoff towards a smart decision. It makes your loan smaller, which means you'll have lower monthly payments and less interest to pay in the long run. This down payment is your safety net. It's the money you put up front to keep your monthly payments in check and your overall car cost lower. It's like making a small payment now to save a lot later. The second key part is the loan term, 4 years. As you continue on your car buying journey, the next important thing is the loan term. The 24-10 rule suggests you should choose a loan that won't take longer than 4 years to pay off. A loan term is like a timer for how long you'll take to pay for your car. Shorter loan terms might mean slightly bigger monthly payments, but they're the better choice in the long run. Why? Because they help you pay less in interest, keep your car in good shape while you're still making payments, and make sure you don't end up owing more on your car loan than your car is worth. Choosing a shorter loan term is like putting a finish line on your car payments. It's the faster route to owning your car and saving money. The third key part is the monthly payment, 10%. Lastly, the 24-10 rule talks about your monthly payment. According to this rule, your monthly car payment shouldn't be more than 10% of what you make in a month. If you make $3,000 a month, your car payment shouldn't go over $300. This part of the rule is like a safety net. It's there to make sure your car payment is easy to handle and still leaves you enough money for other things like rent, groceries, and saving up. This monthly payment part of the rule keeps your budget on the road. It makes sure you can keep up with your car payment and still have enough cash for the other things you need each month. In conclusion, the 24-10 rule is your trusty navigator for a successful car purchase. It's your financial co-pilot, helping you make wise choices when buying a car. This rule ensures you can enjoy the benefits of car ownership without the stress of money troubles. By following this rule, you're not just buying a car, you're making a smart financial choice that gives you the freedom to cruise towards your future with confidence. It's like having a financial GPS that keeps you on the right path to a secure financial future. So, remember the 24-10 rule on your car buying journey, and you'll be in the driver's seat to make the best choices for your wallet. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, a thumbs up and a subscribe would mean a lot for me. Don't miss out on future content by hitting the notification bell. As you can see, this channel is new, so your feedback and comments are invaluable. See you next time.